Alright, so let's see if I can get in frame. This shocked even me. I was trying to do some microfluidic testing on this SLA 3D printer I got, the SparkMaker thing. And so I made this torture test. I thought it would fail at 0.05 mil, or not 0.05, 0.5 mil. But as you can see, that is a 0.5 mil channel, 3D printed, that actually works. It's hollow. It it's actually working. I mean, this goes all the way from 2 mil to 0.5. I might be able to get it even lower. I mean, the resolution is 200 microns, so that's insane. I never thought it would actually succeed. Oh, and the bottom ones are square. Those work too. It's absolutely phenomenal how high resolution this is. So yeah, I got a lot of cool microfluidic projects that are gonna go on. Oh, just to show you, these are, oh, you can't make it out on that side. These are right angle channels, and some of them go, well, they all go all the way through, but they also have the right angle. I wanted to test what it would do, the limits of both curved and completely straight, because there's a video about applied science, and he talked about the limits, and they were different, so I figured I'd test them. But I mean, if the curved goes all the way down to 0.5 mil, I mean, imagine how, it's just absolutely exceptional how good that commercial $200 printer was for me. It's just insane.